Hi everyone, it's Rena, and today we're going to do something completely different. We are going to go shopping because we are going to try to make a DIY cosplay of, I forgot what her name is. Uh, Rini, Jesus. Literally forgot what her name was. Yeah, Rini, but like when she's an adult, so she's known as the Dark Lady, or as in Japan they call her the Black Lady, because, yeah, that's the character. But anyways, we're gonna try to cosplay as her because I just feel like it. So let's look at some images. So she has this so in this picture it kind of looks reddish, but for the most of the parts it looks actually black and it has this like pleated detail here. And then she obviously has her black earrings and then her choker. So we'll see if we can get those. And then back to this one, she has like a pinkish reddish shawl, and then underneath the bottom part of her dress is like a blue slip thing. I don't know how close we can get to that on DIY. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could probably like go to Michael's and do some detailing, but I don't think I'm gonna do all that. I'm lazy. I just wanted to see if it was even possible because I looked at some cosplays obviously for her character, and it's not the cheapest. Let's see. Cosplay. Yeah, you can get like an outfit for about $200. Apparently AliExpress has some part of it for $70. That's actually pretty good. That's actually not that bad. It's like, and they actually nailed majority of the detail other than the shawl. It's not supposed to be purple. It's supposed to be pink, but they got the little pleated thing in the neck part, so that's actually not that bad. And they even got like the thing in the inside of her dress, like there. That's not bad. Not bad. Good job, Ali. And then you have the wig here. So I'm gonna get my hair braided, anyways, in like a black to pink. So you'll see what that would look like later. But let's get a shopping. So I've actually looked up some clothing on Shein, and I've noticed that they do have some similar things, because like this dress is kind of similar in the shaping. The only thing it's missing is that little pleated bit. But yeah, I want to see if you can get like normal articles of clothing and then you can just put them together. That's quite a look. Wow. Yeah, so as you can see, Shein has a lot of different styles. I'm in the dress formal under the black tab. This is also kind of something similar. This is, I would say it's pretty darn close to it. But let's see. I'll keep on looking. I found this one. So this one is currently sold out, but I've already purchased this one before it was sold out. So this one's on its way. But yeah, that one, I would say this is pretty close to it. It has that like pleated look. Yeah, it has that like little pleated look. Wrong tab. Here. Maybe not as many, but it's kind of close. Doesn't have that blue thing underneath that, but I mean, like, you're not really gonna find that in a dress unless like you specifically ordered a dress like that. I highly doubt Shein's gonna have a dress like that. Let's check out. Let's type in red mesh top. I think this can work. If you put this underneath, just get it in like a bigger size, so it'd be a little bit baggier to kind of give that look. I mean, the neckline's a little low, but we can make it work. What else is there? The shawl. The shawl. Just click on a color. This is kind of close. Looks really short though. Red shawl. She looks so nervous and awkward in this photo. I mean, this could work. It's a little sheer shiny. If I find something else, I'll let you know. 15 bucks. It's not that bad, but kind of pricey. Okay, so we have this one. Romwe and Shein are pretty much the same thing. Yeah, I think it's like almost the same as the other one. This can work. We'll use that. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so we'll get that. And let's look at some accessories. I lost my thing here. Oh, there we go. She looks so angry. I mean, I guess her character is kind of angry, bossy vibes. A little moon thing. I might just draw that in with makeup. Earrings. Let's see. So, my cart so far. I have ordered this already. I ordered this, and I ordered these. This is literally just for memorabilia's sake. Second pair of earrings is because I have 2 piercings, so I decided to get a second set of earrings, and it has like a Sailor Moon kind of vibe to it. These ones are kind of gonna go as a DIY. I can either keep them as colored white with the purple in the middle, or I can color them black and see how that goes. So I think I'll leave that at that. And then we have the shawl here from Romwe, and we'll see how long those take to get in. Actually, for you guys, it won't seem very long, but yeah, we'll see it in a moment. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. All right, and we're back. So it took about like 14 days for me to get all the items. So here's the items that we got. All the items I got from Shein, except for the one thing, which was the shawl that I got from Romwe. Okay, so let's go over the pricing. So the dress was $25, the mesh top was $6, and then there was both earrings that I got that were came to $3, and then the extra Sailor Moon looking necklace was a bonus item, but it was $2, and then the shoes were the most expensive item that came to a whopping $31, and then we have the shawl that was like $4. So grand total things was $71. Yeah, so that's basically about the same price as the one that we saw at AliExpress, but it is definitely way better looking in the sense that it's more wearable and it doesn't look itchy. Like I look like I can actually wear that for a longer time period. So yeah. Anyways, let's see what the rest of the outfit would look on me, and let's get to styling. Okay, so this is how the whole outfit comes together. I was just trying to direct on how I want the photo to be taken. But yeah, the only thing I didn't have and wasn't sure how to do was like little Reenie's horn things, but this is how the end result of each photo kind of came out to be. I did forget to put on like the makeup around the crescent moon, but this is what it would look like if I drew in the little horns. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, that's there. That's pretty much it. It was a lot of fun to do. I hope you enjoyed just seeing this. I know it was really different from what I normally do, but yeah, I just felt like doing it. Anyways, until next time, we'll see you later. Take Take care. Bye.